Hey, and welcome to another day in my life. So, I am just in the kitchen late night tonight, just kind of tidying up a little. Got to finish up these dishes. So, come along and just join me as I finish these dishes and move along to a couple other things I got to do, okay? This should have already been done, but however, I'm getting a late start on it, but however, I'm getting it done regardless. It's just only a few dishes. I'm glad it wasn't too much. Okay, I'm gonna let those dry, and then I'm gonna come back and use a towel and dry those off. Have that done. This is what I always do. Gotta keep my cutting board looking good, y'all. This help with the scratches. Keep the board looking good. And you just let it stay and marinate in it and get the scratches out. So by tomorrow morning, I'll be able to see a big difference. This is normally what I do on a weekly basis. Okay, come back and try those. Feet closed, I got to fold up. here, so gotta get it done. That way I don't have to spend the whole weekend just doing a lot of cleaning. Because I got, let's see. Oh, the only thing I got left to wash are my towels. Other than that, everything else is washed, folded, dried. Well, dry and folded. And I've already put all that stuff up besides what I'm folding up right now. So, yeah. Yeah, to me, sometimes late at night is the best time to get things done. Especially when everybody else already gone to sleep. As long as I don't start up my vacuum cleaner, I'm good. So, yeah. But, just another day in my life. Just around the house. Getting things necessary that needs to be done. This is a nice blouse here. I wonder if I could. That's nice. But yeah. Nice and quiet. I had to turn the TV off because I've been watching the television mostly all day. So Alexa, what will the weather be tomorrow here?
Tomorrow in Tarboro, there will be rainy weather, with a high of 57 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 39 degrees.
Now this is spring, y'all. Y'all heard that, right? The highs tomorrow will be 57 and lows 39. And in North Carolina, we don't have weather like that. Normally, this time of the year, it would be like 80, 85. Here it is May 1st, and we're having weather like that. The rain, of course, naturally, I understand that. But we're talking about cold weather, which I'm going to be honest with you, I love it. I love the cold weather. Helps me with my breathing, so I like it. But still, overall, we normally don't get weather like this. But, hey, it is what it is, right? This is God's world. And whatever God says, that's what goes. Yeah. I realized I had this many clothes in this basket. Okay. Like that. And that way when I put everything away, I don't have any problems. See, I got some socks here. T-shirts. Yeah, yesterday I had a really good day. My husband took the day off so that we can go and get some new tires for our pickup truck. So we ended up spending the day and enjoying ourselves. We even made a video together, and that's very rare. My husband normally don't be in the videos with me, so if you guys get the opportunity to check that out, you can. Yeah, so I was surprised he did one with me. Wait a minute, let's separate that. That's his. These are mine. Separate our clothes. Okay. This is work pants. It looks like I'm gonna have to iron these or stick them back in the dryer so the wrinkles can fall out. Let's see. Right there. This is his. What's this? Oh, this is my skirt. I was like, what in the world is this? I don't know if I'll be wearing this. It's got a serious split in it. I don't wear dresses with a deep split. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to work it out. I think I'll probably just give that away because split is a little bit too deep for me. Woo. Sound like it already started raining. It's been raining a little bit today. Not much, but sound like it's raining out there now. Y'all know when it rains, that's some good sleeping weather. I wish I had a tin roof. Some of these houses out here, they have a tin roof. Y'all, that's some good sleep right there. I can guarantee. Can you see me a little bit better? Okay. Yeah, I wish we had a tin roof. One of my friends was telling me that if you want that sound of rain when you're sleeping, like right there at the edge of the house, get those pie pans, those aluminum pie pans, and put them out in your front yard. They were being creative. Put them out in your front yard, right close to your house, and flip them over. And when it rains, that would be the close. It sounds close to what it sounds like when you have a tin roof on your house. I've never tried it, but I'm thinking about it. I am seriously thinking about it because I love the sound of rain. I do. And for some reason, rain just makes me so sleepy. And all I want to do is just get into bed and sleep. Or I normally, when it does rain, I'll crack the window in my bedroom so I can hear the rain. But however, I think I want to try that tin roof by buying those pie pan, the pie crust pans, and give that a try, something different. Okay, so I got all that stuff folded. Let's see what we got here. nice dress pants. Well, looks like I got everything. I started to sock that other day. Oh, I got almost everything folded, and I'm gonna stick it back in the basket so I can put those things away. Yeah, so that's all the laundry I gotta do for tomorrow. It's just those towels. Get that done. And then I got to, like I said, beginning of the week, or was it last weekend? Anyway, I gotta clean out my refrigerator. So that's what I gotta do for tomorrow. Other than that, I will have everything else done. Yeah, so put this stuff back in here. Put this stuff away. I don't think I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh, it's raining real good outside. I love it. It might be the reason why I'm getting sleepy right about now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Gotten all my clothes folded up. This must have came out of his pants. Okay, I got that accomplished. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, yeah, let me get my blanket. Yeah, it was kind of chilly today here on the East Coast here in North Carolina. Not to the point where we needed heat or anything, but just a little chilly. So, with that being said, slide this over. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you took the opportunity to do that and share. So until the very next video, I hope that everyone have a wonderful evening, and bye-bye.